Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. When was Gmail, an email service created by Google, launched? Option A 2000, B 2001, C 2003 and D 2004. The correct answer is 2004. Google launched Gmail on April 1st, 2004. Gmail was initially released in limited beta version and was invitation only. Gmail offers 1 GB of storage space per account. Question number 2. What was the first item sold on eBay? A. Book, B. A broken laser pointer, C. T-shirt and D. Mouse. The correct answer is a broken laser pointer. The first item sold on eBay was broken laser pointer, which sold for $14.83 in 1995. The item was listed by eBay founder Perry Omidyar on the site original name Auction Web. Canadian Mark Fresher purchased the laser pointer. Question number 3. Which player is known as the Great One and is widely regarded as the greatest hockey player of the time? A. Bobby Orr, B. Mario Lemieux, C. Wayne Gretzky and D. Gordie Howe. The correct answer is Wayne Gretzky. Wayne Gretzky is known as the Great One and is considered by many to the greatest hockey player of all time. He has won 4 Stanley Cup titles. He holds 57 National Hockey League records, including 894 career goals. Question number 4. The world's tallest statue of Mahatma Gandhi is in A. Rajkot, B. Patna, C. Lucknow and D. Champaran. The correct answer is Patna. The world's tallest bronze statue of Mahatma Gandhi is in Gandhi Maidan, Patna, India, and is 72 feet tall. The statue was unveiled in 2013. Question number 5. Who does Lakshman defeat in a crucial battle during the Ramayana? A. Indrajit, B. Kumbhakarna, C. Vishwasana and D. Ramayana. The correct answer is Indrajit. Question number 6. What is the interval duration between a games in badminton match? A. 1 minute, 2 minutes, C. 3 minutes and D. 5 minutes. The correct answer is 2 minutes. Question number 7. What is the name of the large dark plain on the moon surface formed by ancient volcanic eruption? A. Crater, B. Highlands, C. Rills and D. Maria. The correct answer is Maria. The large dark plains on the moon surface formed by ancient volcanic eruption are called lunar maria. The word Maria is Latin for seas. The lunar maria are the youngest geologic unit on the moon, formed between 3.1 and 3.9 billion years ago. Question number 8. What is the visible surface of the sun called? A. Corona, B. Chromosphere, C. Convective zone and D. Photosphere. The correct answer is photosphere. The visible surface of the sun is called the photosphere. Photosphere literally means sphere of light, and it is the layer of the sun that emit most of the visible light we see from Earth. Question number 9. Madhubani style of folk painting is popular in which of the following states in India? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, and D. Kerala. The correct answer is Bihar. Madhubani is a style of folk painting that is popular in the state of Bihar in India. It is also known as Mithila art because it is popular in Mithila region of Bihar. Question number 10. Who is traditionally credited with composing the Ramayana? A. Vyas, B. Kalidas, C. Valmiki, and D. Tulsidas. The correct answer is Valmiki. Question number 11. Name the world's first website to sell goods online. A. Netmarket, B. Amazon, C. Walmart, and D. Alibaba. The correct answer is Netmarket. Question number 12. What was the name of the space shuttle that landed man on the moon? A. Apollo, B. Challenger, C. Columbia, and D. Eagle. The correct answer is Apollo. Apollo 11 was a space flight conducted from July 16 to July 24 in 1969 by the United States and launched by NASA. It marked the first time that human landed on the moon. Question number 13. Which is the first state in India to pass the food security law? A. Punjab, B. Kerala, C. Gujarat, and D. Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh was the first state in India to pass the Food Security Act on December 21, 2012. The act was passed to ensure that people have access to food at affordable price. Question number 14. Which badminton team is known as the King of Thomas Cup? A. Indonesia, B. China, C. Malaysia, and D. Denmark. The correct answer is Indonesia. Indonesia is known as the King of Thomas Cup, having won the prestigious men team event a record 14 times, showcasing their long-standing dominance in men badminton. Question number 15. The International Ice and Snow Sculpture Festival was held in which country? A. China, B. Russia, C. Switzerland, and D. Japan. The correct answer is China. The International Ice and Snow Sculpture Festival is held annually in Harbin, China. It's the world's largest ice and snow festival. The festival runs from the late December to the late February. Question number 16. India is divided into how many pin code zones? Option A 6, B 7, C 9, and D 10. The correct answer is 9. India is divided into 9 pin code zones, including 8 geographical regions and 1 functional zone for Indian Army. The first digit of the pin code indicates the region, and the second digit indicates the sub-region, and the third digit indicates the sorting district within the region. Question number 17. The largest island in the world is Greenland. It is an integral part of A. Denmark, B. Norway, C. Canada, and D. North America. The correct answer is Denmark. Greenland is officially the world's largest island that is not a continent. While Greenland has its own local government, it is considered a constituent territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. Question number 18. The first Guinness Book of World Record appeared in the year A. 1950, B. 1955, C. 1960 and D. 1963. The correct answer is 1955. The first Guinness Book of World Record was published on August 27, 1955. It was a 198-page book that topped the British bestseller list by Christmas. Question number 19. What is the primary method of energy transfer in the Sun radiative zone? A. Conduction, B. Radiation, C. Fusion and D. Convection. The correct answer, radiation. The primary method of energy transfer in the Sun radiative zone is radiation. Especially, energy is transported through the emission and absorption of photons as they bounce around within the dense plasma of the zone. Question number 20. Which is the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron? A. Magnetite, B. Hematite, C. Limonite and D. None of these. The correct answer is magnetite. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with a very high iron content up to 70%. It has excellent magnetic properties which makes it especially valuable in the electrical industry. Hematite ore is the most important industrial iron ore in terms of the quantity used, but has slightly lower iron content than magnetite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.